Hello, this is Daniel Szanecki, CEO at AIdot Systems. Today I would like to present to you our AIdot Systems for document comparing or data review powered by artificial intelligence and natural language processing. So what problems are we trying to solve here? Really to save time and compare those files accurately, raise the bar. And we can do hundreds or 100 plus documents in a single go. So let me go briefly through the steps to show you how it works. This is where we upload documents, and you can even upload scanned documents. So the system will extract the information from those PDFs, and we can do translations at the same time should it needed be. In fact, we are supporting any language with this software. So we're gonna compare standard release agreement for this exercise. So I'm gonna upload the master copy, okay, and we select with the template with questions, find answers. So save us time typing the questions. So what is happening now? It's the system. It reads, analyzes, and comprehends the information. So it's already found the answers to the questions that we specified. And let's go just to tick them. And you can modify the template or add the number of templates and so on and so on. So just to save your time. And now we're gonna add files for comparison. 3 files, copy 1, copy 2, copy 3. We have processed those, okay. For the purpose of this exercise, we deleted some of the sections, so to make it more interesting. So you can see straight away the scores between the files. And let's go to the final results. So now we can compare the master file against the copy 1 or copy 2. And also we can use the questions and answers straight away within the documents. We can download that particular comparison into Excel, or we can download the whole report for all the files. So this is so this is the questions that we have asked, answers on the master file, and also answers on the comparison file. So we can see that the security deposit, it's 5,000 and 7,500 respectively. On the other file, on purpose, we deleted some of the sections, so you can see there is missing information. So that is indication for you that that file it's not completed and it needs to be reviewed and so on. So that's it from me at this stage. I welcome any comments, and I will leave my contact details. So I hope that I will be speaking to you soon, on a full demonstrations of this product. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Bye bye.